Good morning, everyone. My name is Fatima, and you are watching Sesa Entertainment. So we're bringing you some soca today. We're gonna be dancing "Hello" by Kes. So I hope you're ready. It's a beautiful day to be outside. So please do it for yourself. Do it for yourself, not for anybody. For your health. Let's get to it. I'm excited to see you guys.
Like a dojo. So what you say, what you say, what you say? Pretty girl, when you come my way, what you do, what you do, what you do? I must get through. Girl, roll up now, you show me that wine. Turn around, girl, don't be shy. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. So girl, I love how the way you blow my mind. Hold me tight and bring that wine. Hello, 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 hello. Lord, hey. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Are you ready for it? You want give me that? No hold back. Wind it up, right there, front to the back. No long chat, just come to me. I'll give you that sweet type of love, sweet type of love. Come give me that sweet type of love, real type of love. Hold me, darling. She sweet like a mango, she play the thing like a banjo. Them other girl them don't know how she clap the thing like a go-go. Lad, so what you say, what you say, what you say?